Good afternoon, guys. How you doing? So I just got a notification. I knew I've been close to this mark for a while, but I just got another notification, so I thought I'd check it. And here we are, 1,000 subscribers. I have been waiting for this day for a while. I started this channel a year and a half ago. So super excited. I want to say thanks to all the people who have supported me this last year and a half. You guys have been awesome. I couldn't have done this without you. It just so happens I am doing a little bit of Jeep stuff today. Trying to resituate my rear cargo area. Got all my tools out and trying to get everything organized. I even got a couple extra sets of stuff just to leave in the Jeep. But super excited. Can't wait. Hopefully I'll get a video out of how I'm doing all my cargo management and such shortly. And be patient, guys. I know I've got a little bit of a backlog on some of my content. I want to say I've got at least four more videos that I need to get done, maybe 5. The rest of my Colorado night ride in August, Trailhawk ride, Trail 51, Panther Rock, maybe some highlights from my Rush trip. So there's 5 that I need to do, at least from Jeeping wise, and then maybe the cargo content I need to get done, my cargo area, how I'm doing that, spare tire, everything like that. But yeah, I'm working on it. I'm a little behind and I'm going a little slow right now. But I'm trying. All right. So just keep an eye out. Stuff will come, especially this winter when I'm not going to be wheeling much because I'm more or less done for the season. Because I don't like crawling under the Jeep when it's freezing outside and trying to pressure wash stuff. So there'll be some content coming out still while I'm not doing anything from this year's adventures. But I just wanted to say thank you all for the love and the support. It's been awesome. And until next time, guys, keep on Jeeping. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get this, to see what happens with this, to see where it goes. It's going to be a great year.